Hello students, let's continue with our studies. Dear children, today we are going to solve exercise 1.4. It is based on theorem of areas of similar triangle. Theorem of areas of similar triangle. Let us see here what this theorem is all about. If suppose two triangles XYZ and ABC, they are similar, I can say that if triangle XYZ is similar to triangle ABC, means these two triangles are what? They are similar. If these two triangles are similar, then according to this theorem, ratio of the area of triangle XYZ by area of triangle ABC is equal to XY, from here XY upon AB, from here AB ka square. Means ratio of areas of similar triangle, ratio of areas of similar triangle is equal to ratio of square of corresponding sides. Here we have taken XY and AB. So ratio of their areas will be equal to the ratio of square of XY and square of AB. Like this, one more line I can write. If I am taking XZ from here, XZ from here, AC should come. Yes. XZ AC. So XZ upon AC. This is also square form. Again, if I am taking YZ, this is YZ. Here also this is BC. So YZ ka square by BC ka square. We will erase all these things from here, here also, that's it. Now children, XYZ is similar to triangle ABC. Then according to the theorem, if two triangles are similar, then ratio of areas of these triangles will be equal to ratio of square of corresponding sides. So children, revise this theorem, and with the help of this theorem, we are going to start with the numericals. So students, let's continue with this question. Children, this is the first question of exercise 1.4. According to this question, the ratio of corresponding sides of a similar triangle is 3:5. Find the ratio of their areas. It means if two triangles are given and if they are similar, then you have to find the ratio of their areas. Children, we will consider while solving let A1 and A2 be the areas of similar triangles having sides S1 and S2 respectively. Just for example, we are taking area of this triangle is A1 and area of this triangle is A2. This side may be whatever, I am telling S1, this side I am taking as S2. Now children, we will write here by theorem of areas of similar triangles. We can say that A1 upon A2 is always equals to S1 upon S2 the square. This is the theorem which tells us that if two triangles are similar, then ratio of their areas is equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So if these two triangles are similar, so I can now write A1 upon A2 equals to S1 and S2 I will write as 3 upon 5 the whole square, and here we will mention S1 is to S2, 3 is to 5, and this information is given to us. So we are now writing S1 and S2 as 3 by 5 ka square. So here you can now write A1 upon A2 equals to 3 ka square 9, yes, 3 ka square 9, 5 ka square 25. So your final answer is now going to be A1 is to A2 is 9 is to 25. Children's, always put your final answer in the box. Okay, so now we will start with new question. So hello students, hope you have tried your homework. Now let us see and cross check your answers. Children, this was your homework where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This AB and this PQ, these are the sides of the similar triangle. These are what? Sides of similar triangle. And the ratio was 2 is to 3. Then fill in the blanks. Area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. AB ka square upon, from here if I am taking AB, from here I will take PQ. So I am writing PQ, and of course AB ka square then PQ ka square I have to write. Now 2 ka square is 4 and 3 ka square is what? 9. So this was your first homework. Now in next question, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and they have given you area of triangle ABC is 80. Area of triangle PQR is 125. Now they are asking you, fill in the blanks. If suppose here they have taken area of triangle ABC, here it will be PQR. Now ABC is what? 80. PQR is what? 125. We have to now write the value for AB and PQ. Childrens, here 80 and 125, if I cancel, because they both are multiples of 5. So 80, if you divide by 5, you will get 16. And 125, if you divide by 5, you will get what? 25. You can try. If you divide it by 5, you are getting 16 and here you are getting 25. Now children, this 16 and 25, I can now write as area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Their values what I got is 16 upon 25. But these answers I can write as 4 chi square upon 5 chi square. Yes, because 16 is what? 4 chi square. 25 is what? 5 chi square. Now children, you know that here I will write area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is actually AB chi square upon what? PQ chi square, and the same value you are getting as 4 chi square upon 5 chi square. It means that AB upon PQ is going to be 4 upon 5. So here they are asking only the value, they are not interested in your working. Of course this working you have to do, and then you can get your answer as 4 by 5. So see you children in the next question. So hello students, let's continue with the numericals. Children, in this question they have given us triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. So let's write in the solution triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. This is given information. This is what? Given information. Also they have given 9 times of the area of triangle PQR is 16 times of the area of triangle LMN. Now area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle LMN, which is 16 by 9. Now children, you know that area of triangle PQR by area of triangle LMN will also be equals to PQ. Now they are taking PQ and QR. Since they have given us the information value of QR and they are asking MN, so I am taking only these two sides. So QR I will write here QR ka square upon MN ka square. This we are able to write by theorem of areas of similar triangles. Children, it is very important to mention whenever you are using this theorem. Otherwise, in the exams, they will deduct your marks. So this point you have to mention. So if this is first one and this is second one, children, from first and second I can say that from first and second QR upon mn ka square equals to 16 upon 9. Now I can say that QR upon mn equals to 4 upon 3 chi square. Taking square root on both the sides. We can now write here QR upon mn equals to 4 upon 3. Now children, they have given us the value of QR, but QR equals to 20, which is a given fact. So I can now write here mn upon QR. I am taking the inverted form. mn I am taking the numerator and QR the denominator. उल्टा किया यहाँ पे, ठीक है? What we have done? Inverted. So mn upon QR is 3 upon 4. Put the value of QR. That value is what? 20. So mn is going to be 3 by 4 into 20. 4 5 ja 20. So mn is what? 15. So, and dear children, this is your answer for the fourth question. So see you in the fifth one. So hello student, let's solve fifth question. Children, in this question what they are asking, that two similar triangles are given. They have given us two similar triangles. One I am taking bigger one, other smaller, and their areas are 225 square centimeter, and this one is having area of 81 square centimeter. Now children, they are telling you side of the smaller triangle is 12 centimeter and the corresponding side of the other triangle they are asking. Children, we will write this area as A1 and we will take this area as A2. This side as S2 because it is to A2, so here S2. This is A1, so this side as S1. So children, this is your question. They have given us two triangles. One is having area of 225 square centimeter. Other one is having 81 square centimeter. Of course, the bigger triangle we are taking as A1 and smaller one as the A2. Side of the smaller triangle they have given as 12 centimeter. And corresponding side of the bigger triangle they are asking. So let's start with the working. First we have to explain whatever we have taken as a consideration. Let A1 and A2 be two triangles such that A1 is having area 225 square centimeter and A2 is having area of 81 square centimeter. Let S1 and S2 be their corresponding sides respectively. So S1 is under question mark and S2 as 12. Now children, we will write by theorem of similar triangles. By theorem of areas of similar triangles. By theorem of areas of similar triangle. What we have studied? That if two triangles are having similar, then ratio of their areas equals to square of their corresponding sides. This is what we have studied. Now children, we will put the known values. A1 is 225 upon A2 as 81. S1 and S2. S2 value is what? 12. These all are under the square. Children, you know that 225 is actually 15 chi-square and 81 is actually 9 chi-square. So if I am writing them as the square of 15 and as the square of 9, then easily I can remove squares from both the sides by taking square roots on both the sides. 15 by 9 I will keep as it is. Here S1 upon 12. Children's, S1 is now going to be 15 upon 9 into 12. 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. So S1 is coming out as 20 centimeter. Remember, this is length, so you have to mention only as the centimeter. And children, don't forget to mention the unit. Otherwise, your marks will be definitely, they will deduct your marks. So, see you children now in the next question. So, hello students, let's continue with the sixth question. Children, in this question they are telling you there are two triangles ABC and DEF and they are equilateral triangle. Only this much they are informing. That's it. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. These are the equilateral triangles. If the ratio of their areas is this much, AB is 4, then DE they are putting under the question mark. So again, what they are giving in the question? They have given us two equilateral triangles. Ratio of their areas they have given us as 1:2. 1:2. This and this are having ratio of 1:2. This value is 4 and this value they are asking. Children's, one point you must mention here, that first of all, these two triangles are similar triangle, that we have to prove. Of course, all equilateral triangles are what? Similar triangle. But in this question, we will start this way. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. So, each angle of both the triangles are of measure 60 degree. So, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. But before that, let's write angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D equals to angle E equals to angle F. Each measure 60 degree. So triangle ABC is now similar to triangle DEF by AAA criterion, or we actually use the word test, by AAA test. Now children, we will write by theorem of areas of similar triangle. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. ABC and DEF, since they have given us AB, I will write AB ka square by DE ka square. Now children, they have given us their ratio, so we will write here area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF equals to 1:2. This is the given information. So let's put it here. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF comes out as what? 1/2. Now children, if suppose I consider this as first and this as second, so we can now write AB ka square upon DE ka square equals to 1/2. Yes, right here from first and second. Yes children. Now AB value is given to us. AB value is what? 4. But AB equals to 4. So 4 by DE ka square 1/2. 4 ka square is 16. DE ka square is 1/2. Now children, these values are in the square form. You write here taking square root. So better I will write this way. 4 as it is, square here. Taking square root, it will become 4 upon DE equals to 1/√2. Cross multiply. DE is going to be 4√2. Because this root 2 here, this D is here, and that is your final answer children. And always see whether they are giving any unit or not. In the question they have not given us any unit, so no need to write any unit. Otherwise, if suppose it is given, then we have to mention that. So children, here you have completed your 6th question. 7th question is fill in the blanks, and I expect that you will be solving that on your own. So take 7th question as your homework. Solve, take the photo and send it in the group. So children, today here you have completed your first lesson of maths paper 2, that is similarity. Children, it is very important chapter, so keep on practicing this one. Some homeworks I have already given to you, so solve those questions and send them in the group. See you in the next video. Thank you children.